We've got two different problems for using the square root property. And so you want to get it in the form where you have something squared equals a number. So if we go back, look at the square root property, something squared equals a number. That's the format that you're trying to start with. So not standard form on this one. Something squared equals some number. So if we look down here, you can see here's our something squared, right? The x squared. And so if we need the number on the right, we're going to add over the 54. And then you can also divide by the 3. So we'll have x squared equals 54 divided by 3, which is going to be 18. And then now we have it in the form we want. And so according to that, we can do the square root, but we know that x is going to be the positive or the negative square root of 18. And then simplifying that, we know that is going to be plus or minus 3 square root of 2. So it's actually two answers, right? The positive square root 3 square root of 2, and then also it could be the negative 3 square root of 2. Now, the second example is actually in the correct form already to use the square root property. So rather than multiplying this all out and trying to put it in standard form, you can recognize that you have something squared equals a number. And so we can go straight to the square root property and say that 2x plus 3 is going to be plus or minus the square root of 36. And then now you just finish solving this for x. So square root of 36 is 6. So we have 2x plus 3 is plus or minus 6. We are going to subtract 3. So it looks like that, and then divide by 2. So x is going to be plus or minus 6 minus 3 over 2. And then we can simplify that, because if you do the positive 6 minus 3, which is 3 over 2, one of these answers is going to give 3 halves. And if you do minus 6 minus 3, which is minus 9, you're going to get minus 9 over 2. So you can leave your answers like that, or we can just jot it down over here.